Alright, so this is going to be video inspection of sewer main for HomeServe client Patrick Amato. This is post jetting of the sewer line. Got jetter out about probably about 80 feet just before city sewer tie-in. Access point was clean out in basement. Doesn't look like we got all the roots, but this is the video. So it's going to be job number 20035-229. HomeServe ticket not on here. So this, like I said, post jetting. Alright, so I'm going to run the camera back out to the point where I'm seeing roots just outside the foundation. I'm going to recommend this one have risers installed in the front yard with a spot repair. Jetting's just not going to get these roots, I don't think. So this is the first ball. That's the transition from cast to clay. There's the second ball. And that one actually looks like it's got some offsetting on the sidewall there with the root infiltration. This one here would really truly benefit from an exterior clean out installation spot repair. So I think that's what I'm going to write this up as.